How to convert Figma to Framer. So hello guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to convert your Figma design, for example over here, into our Framer over here. So simply open our plugins over here and search Figma to HTML with Framer. After that, it will convert this page that you're selecting. Make sure you select the entire page. It will convert it into Framer over here, as you can see here on the pop-up below. Simply wait for a few seconds for this to finish. It's going to basically copy all the elements that you're seeing right now. And then over here, give it a few seconds once again. Click on copy to clipboard. Now go to Framer and simply Ctrl V or paste our code over here. So click on paste. There we go. Let's wait for this to load. See if it worked. I'm gonna try it again. So click on this, Figma to HTML. As you can see, it's going to show us a prompt uploading Figma images. So simply wait for this process to finish and you will be able to have your design just like that into your Framer. Now simply adjust your sizing over here. Make sure it's the same size as your design, and there we go. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.